Hi everyone, this is MANVI Singh. I am a law student of IME Law College and I am a legal intern in LEXIS and Company. So the topic is attorney-client privileges under Evidence Act 1872. Attorney-client and privileges of lawyer-client privileges is the name given in the common law of India. Concept of legal profession privileges in the law field. Attorney-client privileges is the client right to refuse to disclose and the prevent to any another from disclosing confidential communication between the client and the attorney. The attorney-client privileges is one of the communication the Indian judiciary system and the Indian court has stated that by assuring confidential and the privileges encourage client to make real full and frank disclosure to their attorney, who are then better able to provide candid advice and effective representation. So now the privileges communication refers to the confidential conversation or interaction between two parties who are legally recognized protected relationship. The information cannot be leaked to any third party, not even in the court. Law can never force any individual or corporation to disclose the content of privileges communication. The main aim and objective of the introducing and implementing the very well concept of attorney-client privileges under Indian Evidence Act 1872 is to understand the concept of attorney-client privileges in India. The attorney-client privileges is a crown jewel of the legal profession. According to Black Law Dictionary, attorney-client relations refers to the disclosures of the potential sensitive information from their client to their attorney, and law requires that the attorney does not reveals and disclose such information or communication. A second sound of administration of justice should contain three ingredients such as well planned body of law and based on concept of social justice and judicial hierarchy, which is learned in law and inspired by the high principles of profession. Conduct or a suitable journeytion of a ensuring for trial. Now the attorney-client privileges in India. In India, law or attorney-client privileges is codified under the Indian Evidence Act 1872, and it has been developed on the basis of the same lines as that the UK common law. The Indian Evidence Act 1872 provides protection and to the professional communication and confidential communication of a client with their legal advisor. The attorney or advocate is legally not permitted to disclose any communication or document related to their client without client express consent. Section 126 and Section 128 deals with the circumstances under which the legal advisor or attorney can give evidence of such profession communication. However, such Section 127 provides the interpreters, clerks, or servant of the legal advisor are esteemed in the same manner. Now the conclusion of this topic: various legislation oblige the parties of the protected relationship, attorney-client, doctor, patient, husband and wife, to adhere to rules to privileges communication. The foundation of this is to guard the trust that the client to reposes in the attorney, in an attorney, patient in a doctor, or spouse in each other. However, the privileges is not absolute in nature. It is subjected to certain exceptions. Section 127, as I told you earlier, provide the interpreter, clerk, or servant of the legal advisors are restrained in the same manner, and the attorney or advocate legally not permitted to disclose any communication or any documents related to the client. So here is some such information or communication between them to any third party. A sound of administration justice should be confined three ingredients, and the attorney-client's privileges is one of the oldest privileges for the confidential communication. So guys, this was all about this topic. Thank you so much for listening me. Like, comment and share.